This massive plot of land offers the potential for a subdivision. Located in District 19, this semi-detached unit currently houses 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. With a build-up area of 2,969 square feet sitting on a land plot of 7,378 square feet, situated within a 3-story landed zone, offering the possibilities of rebuilding up to a 3.5-story home. Not only that, this expansive land plot has gotten written permission to construct not 1, but 2 units. Interested to find out more? Contact Propseller now to arrange a viewing.